All right. I got the headset working now. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Man, that was kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie. What it do, y'all? What it do? Um, so I'll walk you through kind of what I'm seeing here real quick. We'll go through US 30. So yesterday, I'll walk you through what happened yesterday. Yesterday, US 30 ended up playing out this trade here, even though I didn't enter in this trade because I was saying on the 5 minute here. If I was going to enter in, it would have been off of this green candle right here, and lo and behold, well, the reason I didn't enter in is because of this wick, but yeah, lo and behold, she worked out. Came down into this point of interest here, and again, I said if I was thinking about buying anything anywhere on 30, it would be down here in this area, and we can see that around 2 in the morning is when it filled in this imbalance here and started reacting. On the 5 minute time frame, we did get a break of structure right to the top side here, and well, price did come down and it filled this area here. In my eyes, I honestly thought it was going to go lower just because of this here. I thought this was going to get swept, and I assumed it was going to come down here into this last push before continuing up, but we can see it has other plans. So with US 30, really, I was just gonna wait because there's no sweep. Let me look at the 15. Again, the 15 has a big wick right here. So honestly, I was just gonna wait. I'll see if it comes back down and decides to react off of this area. Yeah, give me 1 second, y'all. All right, y'all. So I'll go over real quick what I see for gold and why I have a potential entry here. Look, I'm risking 175. Unfortunately, I did just. This is gonna be a very, very, very short video. Very, very, very short. I did just get called into work right now. So, let's see. 30, I don't see anything on 30. So I'm gonna let 30 just do its thing. As of gold, pretty much this is what I see. On the 4 hour time frame, we did come in and fill this imbalance here. Let's see. I know we are reacting off of this demand supply up here, so that's the only thing. We're reacting off of this supply right here, and we're going into this area. But again, 4 hour imbalance was filled. On the hour time frame, you know, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Boom, we had to break a structure to the top side. And I'm expecting it to do this, which is what it's doing right now. It's taking out this liquidity that it formed over London and filling this imbalance here. Even though there is high, what's it called here? It looks like there's a good amount of sell volume going in. I'm still expecting price to be somewhat bullish from here, but we'll see. I have 2 limits. I'm risking 175. But yeah, we'll see. I'm actually gonna head to work right now. I don't get off till later this evening, so what I'm going to do is just I'm just gonna let this play out. If it hits my stop loss, it hits my stop loss. But if it goes up, it hits TP, that'd be very nice. Actually, what I'm expecting price to do is come up to here. Oh, hold up. Dang, called me again, y'all. Called me again. Yeah, there's a lot of sell momentum going into this. We'll see how it plays out. Looks like the 15 looks nice. What I'm actually gonna do is have a partial here. So I'm gonna do a. Let's do a. I have a buy limit here. I'm gonna sell limit 1 right here. So if it triggers me in, and we go up here, it'll take partials once it gets to here, and then we'll pretty much see how the rest rides. But till then, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, and that's that. If it comes down here, it takes me out, then it takes me out. I'll keep an eye on this. I'll probably jump on my phone, log into my phone, and we'll see how it goes from there. Just because I know if I log in on my phone and try to trade this, it might kick me out. And what I don't want to happen, which could possibly happen, is something where it goes like this, goes into profits, takes me out at one, and I don't have, I'm not paying attention. And I don't move this here. Comes, hits stop, and then it takes me out at two instead of one. And then now I have a sell active in here, and it could reverse on me, just continue going up and blow the account if it wanted to, or fly down and take me deep into profits, either or. But yeah, I'm gonna log out here. I'll log in on my phone. We'll see how it goes. But alright, y'all. Sorry for the interruptions, man. My boss called me. I'm going into work. Got called in. So, um, yeah. This is gonna be a quick video. I'll put an update on this, and I'll let y'all know how it goes. But till then, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Quick video. What? It's only been like 6 minutes, so yeah. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Alrighty, y'all. We're back. We are back and we are better. So, alright, it is 7:51 CST, 7:51 p.m. CST. So, welcome back, at least for me. I just got off of work not too long ago. Here, back on the charts. Um, Again, this is going to be just an updated video of what happened for today. This is going to be a really short video, actually, but kind of hectic morning. So right now we're looking at 30. We can see 30 did hit the zone. I was expecting it to come back down here. We saw it reach down to this area, but never actually continue to the top, continue all the way down here. So she just continued bullish the whole time. So respect on that, I guess. Now gold is the kicker, right? Let's look at micro gold. So this was our gold trade that we had here. Oh, sorry, y'all. Here I actually had this like that. But yeah, so price pretty much filled, or not really filled, but hit the imbalance and has. Here, I'm gonna turn this off. Actually, it don't make no sense. All right, well, price pretty much hit the imbalance and continued its way up to um, make a new high. So we were pretty close. Sorry if you hear my brother in the background. Um, but yeah, y'all, I don't know if I think on the video I showed you guys, but I did have this trade set, and then I had this as a break even. Um, but before I actually went into work, I just came back here and I closed this trade out just because I wasn't going to be able to sit here and actually manage the trade, which is something I would want to do. And I'm honestly glad because I had a sell stop here. No, not a sell stop, excuse me. A sell limit of 1 here. I had a buy limit of 2 and a sell stop of 2. So pretty much what would have happened is price never triggered me in. Price would have came up, hit this area, and then it would have I just would have been in mad drawdown. I would have been in super mad drawdown right now. So, um, yeah. I mean, that's the update right now of pretty much what's gone on with that. But, I mean, we were close on this one, close but no cigar. I'm going to start taking these trades. I'm going to start. I feel like. Here, hold up, y'all. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. More recently, I've been a lot more picky with my trades instead of really being able to flow with the market, right? Like the last couple of videos was a perfect example. Like this trade right here was a perfect example on gold. This was, I think, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. I could have took this trade, but I decided not to, right? Ultimately, I would have took partials here, and then it would have took me out of break even. But I would have made partials with this trade, right? And even if I didn't take partials and I decided to keep it running, this trade hit TP. So that would have been nice. Um, but yeah, I know there's that. Let's see. This trade right here, I missed on Tuesday, but that is all right. What else? I mean, in this one, really. This trade right here, I was gonna get in, but decided not to. And again, see, it's one of those things where I could have just got in. So I've been sitting here and I've been really, I've been being really picky on whether or not I should take a trade, and because of that, that's why I haven't took a lot of trades this month, right? Like I'm not gonna front, right? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna show you guys. This is with the 50K. I should be up more, mind you. You know, I'm only the trades that I put in were only one lot each on micros, so um, that's why I'm not up that much. But you know what I'm saying? Like this whole month, I've only took one trade. Now there's other factors that play into it, right? Like we saw earlier this video, like I got called into work right in the middle of the session. Not only that, I work overnight, so sometimes I get home and when I get home, depending on what day I work, you know, either I'm up an extra 2 3 hours looking at the charts, or you know I go to sleep and I'm fucking tired as hell when I wake up. You know, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, man, I've been talking to my mentor, and yeah, he told me I'm just being too picky, and honestly, with my last 50K funded that I had gotten, um, I passed it in about 2 weeks. But the thing was, after I actually got funded the 50K, I blew half of the account within a week on my life as soon as I got it. So after that, I had scaled down my trades. I scaled it down to a ridiculous risk amount, like small, to where I was only risking $50 a trade. And something was wrong with my psyche to like. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can bring it up real quick. Let me show you guys. Hold, give me 2 seconds. Okay, so I found my old trading journal right now. Now, so far with this 50K, I've been trading on, you know, just journaling on this. All right. Um, I have another journal using Notion, but my old trading journal, this is what I wanted to show you guys. So, right, I'm being upfront and I'm showing you guys how I was tracking everything. Right now, I was just using a normal Google Sheet, tracking day, pair, time frame, you know, when I open the trade, when I close the trade, long or short, entry model, win or loss, risk, reward. I was trading NAS, gold, and US 30. Those are the three main pairs that I was trading. But this is over a period of, I think, shit, I forget what I said. I think 6 or 7 months. Um, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. That's 5, 6, 7. That's 8 months. This is 8 months, y'all. 8 months, and you can see sometimes like this last month, I took only two trades, and then I blew my account. The previous month, the first of this year, January 2025, I took 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. Nope, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, and I won one. I was not doing good, man. I was not in a good mindset, man. This was like, look at this. On 1 week, I took 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, and I lost six. I was not doing good at all, y'all. And the trades that I was winning, I was only getting 1 R. That's straight shit. That is straight shit. Let's look at this one. So it was I was just in a wrong mindset. I was risking way less than 1%. These I was risking a little bit more, but point 0.2, 0.25, point 0.2, point 0.2. So I was barely risking anything really. Um, and it just felt like chains chains on me almost. It was just holding, and this is again just luck. It just felt like a drag. And after I blew it, my mentor said, "You know what? I'm glad you blew it. You've had that account too long." And we worked some things out, and see, backtesting is different though. Look at the backtesting. We got a win, 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 break even, break even, break even, win, win. You know what I'm saying? Win, win. So it's just like, okay, something something is going on there psychologically, right? Because do you see the difference between my back testing and my trading live? That's what I'm saying. It's just there is something there was something psychologically going on, and we were able to. I'm still going through it, right? I'm still going through it because now I'm being super picky on what I choose, and it's having me miss out on trades. So my mentor pretty much is telling me right now. He's just like, oh, also yeah, I just look at the percentages easy. But my mentor is just telling me now. He's just like, look, man, you just need to flow with the market. He told me, look, if a trade doesn't line up with every single thing, just take it. Fuck it. Just take it. So it's something like this. You know what I'm saying? I could have just market executed for a buy. Though honestly, I feel like, I mean, I had this trade limit already set, but I wasn't here to actually watch it. Um, but in all honesty, I'm glad that I took the order off before I went to work because, you know, I wouldn't be I would have screwed myself on this one. This would have been a sell limit, and it would have put me in for a sell limit for one instead of taking a contract off the table. It would have put one on the table. Now it would have been a drawdown hella. Um, but yeah, at the end of the day, just don't be scared. Don't be scared to get in. Don't be scared to lose. Fear holds you back. Fear holds you back. You know what I'm saying? And right now I'm doing a challenge, right? I'm paying $50 a month for a 50K account. And that's something I have to keep reminding myself. At the end of the day, if I'm scared, oh, I don't know about this, I don't want to risk this, bro. I'm only risking $50. Maybe a little different with a higher account, but shit, man, I might do that. High key, I've been thinking today, I might just fucking get 350K funded accounts. Why? Because fuck it. That's why, you know? And we can run those up. Um, but yeah, I mean, don't be scared to get in the market. Um, back test your shit. Get a mentor. Back test your shit so that you and your mentor can sit down and see where you're fucking up. All right, y'all. I'm out. Latest.